Ever consider where those store-bought fruits and vegetables come from? How much fuel did it take to get them from the field to the supermarket shelf? What if there was a way to enjoy fresh produce right at home while reducing your carbon footprint? Welcome to the wonderful world of home gardening. Growing your own fruits and vegetables may sound daunting, but it's simpler than you might think. All it takes is a little bit of preparation, some patience, and a willingness to get your hands dirty. You can start small, with a tiny plot or even a few pots on a balcony, and gradually expand your green empire as you gain experience and confidence. First, choose a location for your garden. It should be a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. The more sunlight your plants get, the better they'll grow. If space is limited, consider vertical gardening or container gardening. Next, prepare the soil. Good soil is the foundation of a successful garden. It should be loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. You can improve your soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure. If the soil is too heavy or sandy, consider using raised beds or pots filled with a good quality potting mix. Now, it's time to choose your plants. Think about what you like to eat, but also consider the growing conditions and the space you have available. Tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, and herbs are all good choices for beginners. Then, plant your seeds or seedlings following the instructions on the packet. Water them well, but don't drown them. Most plants prefer a good soaking once or twice a week rather than a little water every day. From here, it's a matter of maintenance. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases and deal with them promptly. Weed regularly and feed your plants with a balanced organic fertilizer every few weeks. Finally, enjoy the fruits of your labor. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown vegetables picked fresh from your own garden. Not to mention the satisfaction of knowing you've grown them yourself and the peace of mind that comes from knowing exactly where your food comes from. To summarize, starting a home garden involves choosing a location, preparing the soil, selecting your plants, planting them, maintaining your garden, and then harvesting and enjoying your produce. It's a rewarding activity that can also help to reduce your impact on the environment. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Every season brings new challenges and new rewards, so don't be discouraged if things don't go perfectly the first time. Learn from your mistakes and keep trying. Before you know it, you'll be reaping the benefits of your very own home garden. So why not give it a try? Start small, learn as you go, and who knows? You might just find that you have a green thumb after all. Thank you for joining this journey into home gardening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sustainable living tips and tricks. Until next time, stay green and happy gardening.